This is HoggCountry, life on the Appalachian Trail. Okay, this is HoggCountry coming at you. We're leaving Mollies Ridge. We're heading up to Derrick Knob. Second day in the Smokies. Beautiful morning, about 40 degrees. And we got about 12.1 miles. So, had a good night. Slept pretty well. Wasn't real cold. No rain. So, it should be a good day. I'll check back in after we get to a view somewhere. Okay, well, we've made it to the first shelter past Molly, and this is Russell shelter. I forget the other part of the name, but it's Russell, and it looks identical. Pretty close to Mollies Ridge. Not a lot of differences, but anyway, we're gonna head on up the trail. We stopped to our break. Well, we didn't break for 2 hours, but we took a break at 2 hours. Okay, we're heading on up to Eagle Creek Trail, Spence Field. Looks like it's about 3 miles. Molly is the other direction, which was 2.5 miles ago. And Gregory Bald Trail is, we passed it yesterday. Anyway, we're on up the trail. It's a beautiful day. Just thought I'd show you a little different terrain. It just changes constantly. You can imagine if it were raining pretty hard, this would be like a river up through some of these trails. Anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you a quick glimpse of a little different terrain. And we'll move on down the trail. I think we're going to be at another shelter. I think it's Spence. In fact, I see a sign from here, so it may be the sign to it. But anyway, I'll check back in. I guess that means we passed Spence Field shelter at point 2. I don't ever remember seeing it, but anyway, and Chicken Ridge Trail. Anyway, we're heading up this hill, and I think they said one of these mountains is Rocky Top coming up, but it's maybe a little while up the path here. I think we're almost at the top of Rocky Top. Oh. It's a constant climb, and it's pretty tough, I would say. But we're almost there, I think. Top video. Where's your
I'm Angel at Springer, so one of those over there is Springer. That way.
way off in the distance here. Roughly over Hog's Head is where I am. That's obvious Pond County down there, I don't know why. Yeah. This is Hog Country, and I'm on top of Rocky Top. There you are. Trying to capture some water here so we can run a little filter. It's not a fast process, but it's an effective process. Well, I'm not sure if I'm seeing things or if we're actually there, but Derrick Knob Shelter looks like it's straight in front of us. Now, we've had a team vote, and I think we've decided as of this second, the first 2 days in the Smokies have been more challenging than anything we've done so far, to include the Knox climb, Bly Mountain, Tesnatee, Blood Mountain. I don't know. Could be because it's fresh, but this was a difficult one. The last 2 days have been difficult. They think this second day was worse than the first day. So anyway, well, I know we've got some more visitors up here, so I'll probably have to turn this off here in just a second. But we've made it to Derrick Knob from Mollies Ridge, and I'm not sure what our stop is tomorrow, but we've made it. It looks very similar to all the other shelters we've seen. But anyway, I'm going to close down.